Namaskaram. Happy Navratri to you all. Today we will be chanting Adi Shankaracharya's Saundarya Lahari, Shlokams number 7 and 8. Please join me. Kvanatkanchidama Karikalabha Kumbhastananata Parikshina Madhye Parinata Sharachandravadana Dhanurbanan Pasham Srinimapi Dadhana Karatalaihi Purastadastam Nappuramathi Turaho Purushiga Sudha Sindhor Madhye Suravita Pivati Parivrite Manidvipe Nipo Pavanavati Chintamanigrhe Shivakare Manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilayam Shivakare Manche Paramashiva Paryanka Nilayam Bhajanti Tvam Dhanyaha Katichana Chidanandalahari